In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops in League of Legends. First thing you want to do is go here and type in Riot Games, Riot Client, then open file location. Here you want to open file location for Riot Client again, and then right click on Riot Client.exe, then properties, compatibility, disable full screen optimizations, and then click apply and OK. After this, now you want to go here, type in run, then here type %temp%, press OK. Select all of these folders by clicking Ctrl A, and then delete all of them. These are unnecessary folders, you can safely delete them. Then go to this PC, and here go to C drive, go to Windows, go to prefetch, then do the same, Ctrl A, and then right click and delete all of them. After that, you want to go here, type in cmd, run as administrator. Here you will write some commands here. So first command, net stop WUA user v, and then press enter. Then net start WUA user v, and then press enter. And then net winsock reset. And then here you will write ipconfig flush DNS. So once you finish writing this command, ipconfig flush DNS, and wait for it to load, you want to write the last command, sfc/scannow, and this will take a few minutes, and once it's done, you can restart your computer and your issue is fixed.